Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to set the leverage or change the leverage right here in Phemex. And right now, if we are buying right here an order, you see right in the top that we are having here a cross and there is standing a leverage. And if we click here on this leverage, you see right here that we can create a leverage for a long position and that we can create a leverage for a short position. So right now we can change it by holding this and drag it to where we want to have it. And then if we click right here on the plus or the minus icon, we can go up. If we disable this option right here, we can make differences between short or the long positions. And if you want to sync this, you can enable it back, and then we are having it for both. But I want it on one, that is fine, do confirm. And now if you can see, we have both leverages set back on one. So this is how you can set the leverage right here in Phemex. Hopefully this was exactly the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.